Welcome back, awesome traders, to the 12th of November 2024. And I'm sorry I didn't have any recording uploaded yesterday. That was because I wasn't really available and things got a little bit out of hand, so I had to suspend the recording, even though the last one I did on Friday was with my mobile phone. Anyways, now that we are back, let's get down to business. So this is the first part of the recording where we talk about the CFDs, the indices, and a few of the cryptos. And because I know what you will be thinking about right now, Bitcoin has been going crazy. Yeah. Anyways, let's start the analysis, forecast, and trade setups, and we'll get to that very soon. Start with gold. So last week I was looking at gold coming more down after this correction right here, and if you've been following me, you can see that I told you that gold will come down for this move, and after it comes for this move, we can then look for what next to happen, if we're going to go back up or we are going to continue coming down. So this is where we are now. Had it been we were to go back up, making this a correction entirely, what should have happened was, once this broke out of here, formed a correction. Yeah, if you saw that, you should have bought, and once it started this correction, you get out. So what we should have waited for was a 1 hour correction here to buy. So when this happened, an entry order should be here in case it's going, but it didn't go. Saw this trade yesterday. I missed it because I was, like I said, I wasn't really all that available, so I missed it. Including that on silver, I missed that move too. So now gold has done this. It has done this. So earlier I was looking at this move. I was looking at this move to be an impulse and a correction to go, so we can see if this will give us another flat here for more downside or sales continuation. But this thing is crawling here and it's delaying the end. Let's take a look at the 5 minutes. So yeah, this should be, if it had to go, this should be an impulse, this should be the correction, and this is enough for this to take off, but it didn't. Instead, it broke the top slightly and it's coming down for this. And now what this thing is telling us is that we have something else forming here, and if we have something else forming here, it means that after this correction here, we might go down some more. So everything here might end up becoming a 1, 2, 3 flat for more downward continuation, and I wouldn't be surprised if that happens. At least make it the bigger flat in the whole of all this, if this is going to be a flat on its own. So if it forms a flat here, this sell might not go far before we start getting this. So if you're selling, you should be very cautious. I'll be very skeptical about selling this, and if I am tempted enough, I'll just reduce my risk, because the move I am waiting for is this before we continue to go down. That's it for gold. Let's go to silver, and on silver you can see similar thing where we are looking for. Now here is the thing. Here is silver, and we have this move here, which we can also link as a 1, 2, 3. We have this, we have this, we have this. This can also be the running flat in the whole of this move. This can also be it. It can also be that we are forming a flat here, and whatever has happened there is a complete correction of its own. So let's keep our eyes on this one as well, because this thing might just form a correction here to go down some more before we see this. So keep your eye on this one. If you're selling it, if it's coming down, you're selling it, make sure you're selling with caution. And if you're also buying, make sure you're buying with caution, because the whole trend is now downwards. You can see the lower lows and lower highs. All right, that is it for silver. Let's go back to US oil. Yeah, this was one of the trades I missed yesterday morning. So anyways, it's forming a correction here. It means it will go down some more. So wait for the correction to complete. You can go to the 15 minutes. It's not complete yet. We still have some more things to do here, but wait for it to complete, and you can sell according to your analysis. This, remember, is just a guide to help you see, or just to see someone else's opinion and hear what someone else's views are on the market. It's not a trade call for anybody. So and I am not a financial advisor, so if you need the services of a financial advisor, you go get yourself a certified one, because I am not certified. Everything I say here are strictly my own opinions and the way I view and trade the market, and I make these videos to help any trader who cares have an opinion or someone else's view on the market, so as to help them make better decisions. So now that I have said that, let us continue. I think UK oil will have similar thing. Yeah, we'll go down to keep your eyes on that one. I think this move, as you can see, I told you last time, I think this move is complete. You can now take this out, we don't need it. You can take this one out as well, we don't need it. Yeah, so you can see, right? So we're now coming for this move here, this one. We're coming for this move. That's the move we are coming for now. So after that, we'll see what happens next. Let's go to the 4 hours. So on the 4 hours, we have, as you can see, we are coming down for that move, and once we finish that, we might go for this one, which is once we finish this, which is this move, which is this, we might come up for this. Might, it's not compulsory, but we most likely might come up for that because of this correction right here. So if this goes, it might come for that before we continue going down. This is a 4-hour time frame though, so mind you, this is going to be a long-term trade. But anyways, your immediate trade is to allow this thing to make a correction here, and you can sell. That's it for UK oil, and also for US oil as well, right? So yeah, I think I should put this here. Let's put it here. Let's put it here, and of course you know what to look out for. US 30 has gone up quite well. I'm not surprised. This is not supposed to come from here. It's not supposed to be there, sorry, because yeah, remember last time we had this marked out, that we completed it, and we're now looking for this move, this one here. So seems we got that move, and it also seems we haven't completed that move yet. I don't know, but let's go to a lower time frame and see. So this is the 1 hour, and we've made an impulse on the 15 minutes and we're making some kind of a correction there like this, but this is not what I like. I don't like this move. So because this could do this and go back up, and this becomes a correction. So allow it to make something significant, an impulse breaking out of this. Allow it, make a correction, and then you can look for your sales. Other than that, I think every other thing is happening here is a correction to go back up. So keep your eyes on that one and trade with caution. NAS 100 or US 100. So this one also is, I think it has formed a correction here and it's going back up. So if you're buying these things, buy with caution because they are at a very sensitive area and could turn any moment from now. So, and if you take a look at the 1 hour or 4 hours, you can see that there are loads of divergence here. You can see that there are loads of divergence. So if you're buying, buy with caution because this could turn any moment from now and you don't know when and at what price it's gonna turn. So buy with caution, even though this is going up. Most likely it will break this stop again. So that's it. Let's go to S&P 500, also forming a correction to go up. You might just have done this, so keep your eyes on that one and buy with caution because this might not go far before we start seeing the downside. All right, let's go over to German 30. Yeah, I was waiting for this market to open so I can sell this and I missed it. It was here. The market closed somewhere around this candle, this green one. I was waiting for you to come down, do this so I can sell it to here at least, and then wait for the buy back up, but I missed it. Yeah, and this correction could also do this. If it does this, I might take it a 1-to-1 or 1-to-2 depending on where I take it from. My stop will be here, and then after that I'll look for this move coming up because we have a very serious correction forming here. Something serious is going from there, and to take about a week or more before we might just get stuck in here for the whole of the week. Yeah, we might just be in this thing for the whole of the week because here's what I'm seeing. This is a 1, 2, 3. We have a 1, we're forming a 2, and after that we're going to still get a 1, 2, 3, making this thing W, X, Y, and after that we'll continue the downwards movement. So it's going to take quite some time before we can come out of that correction, but it's a tradable range, so you can also buy and sell within the range. This is a 1 hour time frame and you can see, so keep your eyes on that one. If you miss this, don't miss this one. UK 100, okay, is another one that looks like it's forming a correction here, and keep your eyes on this one because this could come up as well. And if it does that, you can put your entry order somewhere above this stop, just where this line is above the top. So in case it does this, it takes you into the trade and your take profit should be somewhere here and stop loss just below this. Make sure you're trading with good risk management. So let's hop over to BTC. Yeah, where it has made some freaking all-time high, 89,000. This is from Bitfinesse. So I don't know, others might get to 90 or thereabout, I don't know. But yeah, it has made quite some significant move, and even though I told you buy, but buy with caution because it might not go far. So you can see it, every little move a correction, every little move a correction, and it seems to make another correction here, and it seems to be making another correction here. So just keep your eye on that one. But if you're buying, buy with loads of caution because this thing could be ending, and we're seeing something like this coming next. So keep your eyes on that one. Ethereum also went up quite well, and that's okay. So we now have an understanding of what this might look like. Let's go to the 4 hours. We have this move, it didn't break the top, and we have this coming. So the question now is, are we going to take this as a 1 2 3? We take this as a 1 2 3, and take this as a 1 a 2 and a 3. Could be. So here's the thing we are looking at on Ethereum. We have two options here. It's either we form a correction here and continue going, or we'll come back for this move. And if we come back for this move, we're going to do this, and we're going to come back for this move, or this move. Let's pick all of them together. So we're going to come back for that move, and this now end as a big correction before we start seeing the upsides again. So again, we have two options here. It's either Ethereum makes a correction here to continue, or it makes this move. So keep your eyes on that one. BNB went up quite some more. That's okay. So we've gotten this right here, we've gotten this, which I don't know if it has finished or not, but if it has finished, we'll get this. And remember, Ethereum has this move to make, which is optional. Bitcoin also has it to make. So this one has its own, and I think every other crypto has this one move to make before it continues going. And keep your eye on this one, because after that we'll still have this. So after this move, we're still going to have this before we continue. Anyways, that's a long time from now. Keep your eyes on the immediate trade, which is what we might get next from here. So if we get a correction, we can consider buying it. And I think every correction that, or any correction that should come right here, would be a deep one, something very big, be a big one, something bigger than this one. Yeah. Maybe something like this, maybe something like this, or a bit bigger than that. Alright, that's it. And the last one I take a look at is Shiba Inu. Okay, this one has gone up quite well, and that's fine. So we should now be looking for this move, right? This was all the correction. Like I said, told you last time that if it forms a correction here, we can consider buying it, and then we'll take this as all the correction that happened here, and we're going for this. So that's it. Let's wait for this move to come, and it's now looking very much like a running flat. So yeah, you can see the picture, right? So that's it for the CFDs, the indices, and a few of the cryptos. And if you have any question or you have any chart you want me to analyze for you, want me to take a look, make sure to leave them in the comment section below, and do well to like this video, watch till the end, subscribe, and share with your friends. I'll see you on the second recording, which is for USD or major pairs. Trade carefully. Bye.